Yes, I'm going to test out the old Macintosh computer crash sound with my subwoofer today. I filled up my subwoofer's bass, and I'm going to test with the original sound and different from the original sound. Ignore the sound around you, the reason is a little shit. Okay, let's get it. Yeah, this is so nice. And this is low pitch and high pitch. I love that shit. I always thinking about that shit. Okay, please don't skip this mensch such shit. A shit. Okay, the shit. The wigger wasn't tot of mine Zeta, aren't ya fadadu? I for not a faded shit that you're fafuo. You just want a fada go to hell on the sab hit. Tad day isn't ya fire saying tofu if wrong. But no we were wrong, beep beep. This is my own language which means cute when I was a baby. Holly Dooley super dolly shit on me. And I am so nice. I make a lot of money. Duh. He's full of shit.